Hello and welcome to Novela Film Academy. At Novela Film Academy, our mission is to guide the next generation of storytellers through the evolving world of digital media. In today's session, we're introducing you to Higgsfield, a groundbreaking Gen AI platform that is reshaping how creators, filmmakers, and marketers approach image and video production. With powerful capabilities like real-time lip sync, we're not alone, dynamic motion, VFX, and even uncensored cultural prompts, 2.5 is the all-in-one toolset for modern creators. And we are thrilled to announce that Sora 2, the ultimate video generation app, soon going to release on Higgsfield AI. Now, let me introduce you to what Sora 2 is capable of. Everything as you about to see or hear was generated by Sora 2.
1 year ago, Sora 1 redefined what was possible with moving images. Today, we're announcing the Sora app, powered by the all-new Sora 2. It's the most powerful imagination engine ever built. And it's packed with new features. I'll pass it to Bill for more details.
Now every video comes with sound.
Sora 2 is also the state-of-the-art for motion, physics IQ, and body mechanics, marking a giant leap forward in realism.
And we're introducing Cameo, giving you the power to step into any world or scene and letting your friends cast you in theirs.
On the path to AGI, the gains aren't just about productivity.
It's about creating new possibilities.
It's also about creativity and joy. 1, 2, 3, 4.
花火、綺麗だね。でも僕たちは少しずつ離れていく。
Ready when you are. 3, 2, 1, go! Dude, you alright? I'm good.
That's why we're launching Sora 2 inside the Sora app, allowing everyone to push the limits of their imagination and create in ways we never thought possible.
Today we explored the Higgsfield platform and Sora 2, which is soon going to be released on Higgsfield AI. At Novela Film Academy, we believe tools like Higgsfield don't replace storytellers. They empower them. If you're serious about mastering the future of filmmaking, join our membership community. You'll get access to exclusive tutorials and masterclasses, hands-on projects with feedback, a network of creators and marketers pushing the boundaries of AI storytelling. All links are in the description. We'd love to welcome you inside. Thanks for joining us.